How to unblock camera and microphone access on your Google Pixel 9a and other Pixel device. Several Pixel users facing camera can't access or a microphone access issue on your device. So when you open the camera, you can see the unblock device camera message on your Pixel device or any other device. So tap on unblock when you open this to use the camera on your Pixel device like this. So if you found this type of issue, you can quickly enable it or disable it or also check it by swipe down the notification panel twice on your device. Check for the camera access or microphone access. Here you can see the camera access available and microphone access block. Tap on it to unblock it on your device. So quite easy. You can also check it, or if you want to block it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down until the security and privacy. Again scroll down. Here you can see the privacy control option. Tap on it and you can find the option camera access or microphone access. Just toggle on or toggle off it to show or hide or allow or disallow camera and microphone access on your Pixel 9a and other Pixel devices. That's it. Like it, share it.